Guess who's back? And I'm adding a new bestie to the group chat. Oh, we love her. Look at the bounce, look at the curls, look at the flow. She's 13 by 6, 26 inches. Quality is superb. Let's get into it. Hi guys, did you miss me? You know I couldn't stay away for too long. I got me a new wig and she's a baddie. Coming all the way straight from Amazon Prime. Pull up. Okay, I really rumps with her so far. She's 13 by 6, like I said, 26 inches, body wave, super silky, super pretty, super sexy, and she's 180% density. Not my desired density that I typically would like, but you know what? I'm gonna work with her because she's working with me, okay? So I'm just doing a little quick unboxing for y'all right now. They say it's human hair. You know, it comes with some wig instructions. It comes with, a little tutorial on how to measure it and whatnot. Come with your standard wig cap. Every wig usually comes with a wig cap or two in the bag, you feel me? And then I got this pretty little pink satin bag. Got me feeling like a Barbie. She is wrapped up tight and snug, okay? Like a little package of meat. I like that for her. That means she's protected. She's so protected. She fighting me to come out the bag, child. You got to come on out. You cannot stay in there. We got to go on my head top. Okay, after 140 days and nights, she finally decided to come on out the package. Now everything, is standard. They put the little wax paper in the center to keep the wig in shape. They got the little net with the little body wave with yoin, yoin, yoin curl. I like it. It's looking good so far. Please do a little quality control inspection. Just make sure everything is everything. It appears to be 26 inches. The lace looks nice. I believe it's a HD lace wig. But you know what? We're going to go ahead and start cutting off all the combs. Well, at least the 3 combs on the side. I prefer to cut off the 2 combs on the side. And I cut off the comb in the middle. It makes the wig look less bulky. And I'm not even going to use these combs anyways. It was like I was never going to stick them into my wig cap. I'm good. And cutting off the combs is a personal preference of mine. You guys do not have to do anything you don't want to do. But I like to do this for me personally. Okay, I decided to, put her on off camera. Sort of did my little baby hairs out a little or whatever, but not too much. I'll style them later. I definitely bleached this unit, and I like tinted the lace a little bit. I did have a couple of little blonde spots from over bleaching, but no worries. We'll fix that. I'm never afraid of the little bleach spots. They're literally like little bumps in the road. But I'm just gonna comb this out real quick, and then we're gonna get to curling and styling. So I like to pre-section my hair before I curl it because it makes it a lot easier, especially when the hair is longer. It makes it easier for me to just do one curl at a time, pin it up, and then, reach for the next section as opposed to section off as I go. I feel it's a little faster. That's just me. It's my business. Did I also mention that I got her for $85 during, Black Friday? And this is from the store called RUI MEI. Not sure if I pronounced it right, but it looks like it's RUI MEI, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to tag, the wig store and the link for the wig all in the bio, so no worries. Also, I am not the best at curling. I do my absolute best. So this is just what it's going to have to be for now. I'm still going to make it do what it do, and she's still going to be fly as hell. So I finished curling Miss Ma'am off camera, and I'm going in with my Got To Be glue spray, the Spritz Hold Spray. It's a must. You got to spray. You got to use the Spritz, hold it down. I'm telling you, the curls will drop. You want to make sure everything stays like tight, crisp, crunchy like a Frito, honey. Maintain the curls. You gots to use the gots to be spray or any type of holding spray. Sometimes I go back and forth with just spritz. So I finished that portion, which was curling. Now I'm gonna go into, just making sure the baby hairs look just making sure the perimeter and the front of the head looks presentable. I had a very, very clean and seamless melt. That's quality lace right there. Now maybe I'm just blind, but it did not specify whether or not this was a transparent lace or an HD lace. But either way, that lace is lacing, honey. It's clear down to the forehead. It's passing for scalp. Okay, I've been scalped. Now, if you watch my prior videos, I already told y'all that, baby hairs is not really my strong suit. I do the best I can so I don't look stupid. So anybody could buy this wig and definitely do a better job than I did. But like I said, the lace is the most important thing, and the way that, the baby hairs and everything follows after really makes the wig look more realistic. I did pluck this wig in addition to I believe it already being pre-plucked. So, it's up for your discretion. If you got the wig and you felt like it doesn't need to be plucked anymore, you don't have to. Or if you bought the wig, you feel like it just needed a couple extra plucking, then have at it. But either way, it holds up very well to bleach on the scalp. Holds up all the plucking. It holds up well to all the heat and styling that I use to style this wig. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do my makeup really quick, because I felt like the look needed a little pop, like it needed a little something. So I'm just gonna do my makeup on camera. Do y'all mind? Okay, don't do me, y'all. I know it looks like my makeup's a little yellow, but I'm telling you, it's the lighting. I did not look like a baked potato in real life. It looked way better. I gotta figure out what's going on with the lighting. I've been having such an issue with balancing the light in the background of my room. Okay, so I finished my makeup, put my little lip gloss on or whatever. Now it's time for me to take my hair out and fluff the curls and see what's going on. So for this particular wig, I'm gonna comb the curls out lightly in a sense, because what I've noticed is that the hair drops fast. It doesn't matter how much holding spray I put on it, it literally does not hold form, that well. That is a downside to this wig. It's luscious, the lace is pretty, it melts seamlessly into my scalp, it takes bleach tremendously. It's just that as far as holding up curls, they would stay for all of 15 minutes, and then they will drop down flat to a very loose body wave. I did not do much of a part. I wanted it to be kind of loose, as if I took my fingers and slid it back. So I did not do a part. I'm not going to define a part. I know you kind of see a part that's just bleach, that you see that seep through. So I'm going in with my black lipstick thingy that I got from the hair store. It's not actually black lipstick, but it's more like a coloring in a lipstick tube that's supposed to hide the bleach spots, or you can even use it for gray hairs if you want, but I'm just patching that in. Here is the final look. There we go. So the hair did shed just a teeny bit. It's nothing to write home about. I guess all wigs are gonna shed, but this one wasn't so significant that, like, I felt some type of way about it. I would definitely probably buy from this vendor again. I don't know if I would buy this particular style, only because of the fact that it does not hold curls for a long time. The curls, like I said earlier, they drop like within 15 minutes. She's super silky. She's super pretty. I have a theory that if I straightened her and gave her some layers, it might be a top-notch look, because the weight of the hair is very silky. It's very heavy and it's very thick. That I think it can carry a good straight 26 inches bust down, blowout looking type of hair. Even though the hair does not hold the curls properly, the lace is still very impeccable for the price point. So if you're looking for something quick and cheap, this one's for you. Thank you guys for watching this channel. If you like what you see, tell everybody you know about me in this channel. Tell your mom, your uncle, your brother, your sister, your cousin, your daddy, your baby daddy, your mama, your auntie, everybody you know about me in this channel, okay? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Okay, bye.